Okay, today we're going to look at how to customize an activity and add a Google Doc into your Lincoln Learning LMS. So whether you have the picture cards as your view, or if you have the list as your view, you're going to want to pick the course that you'd like to edit and hit the editor, which is just the symbol of a pencil. So either way, it's the same symbol, no matter which view you're looking at. You'll want to go into the folder in which you would like to edit. So I'm going to go down here to Kate's folder. This is in the way. And I'm going to click Add Activity. And for today's purposes, we're just going to look at how to customize an activity, which is we're going to put in a Google Doc that is going to force a copy and allow students to edit your Google Doc. I know that it says Google Drive document right here. If you choose that option, the students will be able to view the document in view only. They will not be able to manipulate the doc in any way. I also want to highlight that there's a YouTube option down here, so that's a really great option if you have created a screencast or if you'd like to put in an instructional video of any kind. So here we are at Custom Activity, and we're going to give it a title, Screencast Demo. We would like to change it to Website. So I know it says Rich Text Course Resource, Website, and Google Document. You're going to want to choose Website because we're going to be embedding this link right here. But before we do that, the first step is change the sharing settings. And this is pretty specific to our district. So right here, there's a lock on it. And so we want when we force a copy, we want the copy settings to copy our sharing settings as well. So we're going to choose, right now it's restricted, and it says that right here, but we want to change it. Whoopsie, let's go back. We want to change it to this one where anyone in the Southern York County can edit. And we know that because when we're done, it'll have this building symbol, and that tells us that anyone within the district can edit it. So change the sharing settings to the SYCSD can edit. And then you're going to want to come up here and get rid of everything before that last backsplash. So if you're using docs, it just says edit. If you're using slides, sometimes there's a couple other pieces of junk up there, extra letters and numbers, but everything, to the last backslash, and then you're going to hit copy. So copy that link, come back to Buzz, paste. So now we see that it says copy, so we're good. We want it to pop up in a new window. And then if you want to add instructions, you can add a bunch of stuff here. Please complete the activity by clicking. Okay, and then we're going to go to settings. This is really important. Sometimes this isn't clicked, sometimes it is, but either way, the submission type says none, and we don't want that. We want at least a single document. And there's a bunch of other things you can do here. They can enter a password. There's an objective mastery that you can include. We're not going to get into that today, so we're just going to hit save. And then when I come back down here and I see screencast demo, I am able to preview as a student. And then here's my link, and it'll force a copy. And so obviously when a student clicks on it, it becomes theirs, and they'll be able to edit it. And I will be able to show you that in another screencast, which we will also provide for you.